For Restaurant KOT Bill Settlement, click on Billing, select KOT. Enter KOT number, steward code, number of guests, table number. Click on to item name and select the item name and its quantity. Click on to save option. KOT saved successfully. You can print the KOT. Click on to billing and select billing. Enter the table number. Once you enter the table number, all the ordered items show up. Click on to save option. Bill saved successfully. You can print the bill. For settlement process, click on to billing and select settlement. Enter the table number, select mode of payment and select yes in the settle column. Click on to save option. Settlement saved successfully. The Restaurant KOT bill settlement has been done successfully. Thank you.